Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We are going to be removing a soap dispenser tray right here from the Samsung front-loaded washing machine because this soap dispenser tray has not been cleaned in a very long time. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is pull the soap dispenser tray all the way out until it stops. Now, right back here is a white plastic tab. And what you want to do is you want to push that white plastic tab down. Don't put a lot of force on it. Just put down enough. And the soap dispenser tray comes out just like that. Alright, so right now I got my soap dispenser tray in the sink here. And what you want to do is you want to take this tray, and this tray out. So how you do that is you basically just pull this up and out like this. Okay, and if this piece comes out, there is a notch right there, and that notch goes right on this tab right there, so it gets lined up like just like this. Okay, so that gets put aside. This tray right here comes right up and out. Okay, and now right in here. Okay, there's a tab. So what you want to do is you want to basically, there's a tab there, and there's a tab right here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to push the tab this way, and then what you do, you push this way, and it comes out hard. Just try not to break it. Push. And the tray comes out like that. Now, in order to clean all this, it's like mold, okay, like surface mold. So in order to clean a surface mold, I have an old rag. Do not use a new rag. So what I'm going to do is wet the old rag. Rinse it out, shake it off. Now the little trays are next. All right, pull this off. There we go. All three trays are cleaned out really good. Alright, so now we're ready to install the three trays back into this big tray. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is, okay, put this like that. That goes in there. Okay, there's a tab right here. There's a tab right here. So this drops in like this. See here, click, 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 like that. Now there is two necks with two holes. This neck with the hole goes right here, and this neck with the hole goes right there, like that. All right, now we're ready to put the soap dispenser tray back in the compartment. Turn my lid on for you all. All right, now there is a groove here, as well as right here. It's not really so much a groove, but it's like a flat piece here, okay, and like a thicker piece here. Okay, now put this right up here for a second. Now right where my finger's tapping right there, or tapping right where my finger's touched right there, and touched right here, is where this and this go into. Now there is a little like a white plastic piece that's just coming down, as well as over here. All right, now you don't have to worry about those. Only one reason why. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in. Now I hope you can see this. Now you see how that is right. See how that is right where my finger is there, as well as where my finger is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna pick it up. All right, slide it in, and we're good. All right, everybody. So the cleaning of the soap dispenser tray is now done. That's good. Now I'm going to put the model number to this Samsung for a little washing machine down in the description box below, so that way if anybody has this model number, hopefully this video will help you clean your soap dispenser tray nice and good like I did, and that'll be it. But just keep in mind that cleaning it maybe once every 6 months, or however you choose to clean it, at least now you know how to take it out, clean it, and put it back in. So, sorry folks, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like, comment, share, subscribe. See y'all next video.